providing knowledge we are living, learning, working, and playing today on the traditional and unceded territories of the Musqueam Nation here in BC.
And one of the things we tried to do with this conference was to ensure that it overlapped with the graduation of our MET students this May. And we had well over 20 students across the stage today. It was really amazing. And we had more Master of Educational Technology students than we had all of Doctor of Philosophy students, all of the BEd students. It was the largest group of students from a particular program.
I've been working within or with a makerspace for close to a decade now, and there's something that I've observed. Students would walk into the threshold, look inside, and quickly decide, I am not going in there, and walk away. How many of you have observed this in your makerspace? Yeah, it's not a unique scenario to me.
Congratulations!